Today, I'll show you how to use the Draw.io product demo board editor overview. First, open Draw.io in your browser. You may also see it called diagrams.net. When the editor opens, you will see the main workspace in the center of the screen. This is called the canvas. This is where you build your diagram, board, flowchart, plan, or visual idea. On the left side, you will see the Shapes panel. This panel contains the items you can drag onto the canvas. You can use rectangles, circles, arrows, text boxes, icons, flowchart shapes, and many other elements. To add something to the board, simply click and drag a shape from the left panel onto the canvas. You can move the shape by dragging it. You can resize it by pulling the corners. To add text, double-click inside the shape and start typing. At the top of the editor, you will see the main menu and toolbar. This area gives you quick access to common actions like saving, undoing, redoing, zooming, copying, pasting, arranging objects, and changing line styles. On the right side, you will usually see the Format panel. This panel helps you change the look of selected objects. For example, you can change the fill color, border color, line thickness, font size, text alignment, and shape style. If you click a line or arrow, the right panel lets you change the arrow direction, line color, curve style, and connection points. Now let's look at the board editor workflow. Start by adding your main idea or title to the canvas. You can use a large text box or a rectangle. Then add the main sections of your board. For a product demo, this might include problem, solution, features, user flow, pricing, and next steps. Use connectors or arrows to show how the sections are related. If you need more shapes, click More Shapes at the bottom of the left panel. From there, you can enable extra libraries for business, software, flowcharts, mockups, networks, and more. You can also zoom in and out to work on details or see the full board. To keep the board clean, use alignment tools, spacing, and consistent colors. Try to use one style for headings, one style for notes, and one style for action items. When your demo board is ready, click File, then Save. To share it, click File, then Export As, and choose PNG, PDF, SVG, or another format. So, to keep it simple, the Draw.io board editor has the canvas in the center, shapes on the left, tools at the top, and formatting options on the right. Add shapes, connect ideas, style your board, then save or export it. And that's how you use the Draw.io product demo board editor overview. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.